Fantastic Five.
Hi everybody, my name is Tanaria. Hi everybody, my name is Tanaria. Hi everybody, my name is Tanaria Jackson, and this is my other twin, Tanaria Jackson. So we're twins, and today we will be playing with slime. And this is the slime. Ooh, it's so big. So Tanaria, what do you think about the slime? Well, I think it's a good slime, and are you copying me? I knew you was. Stop! Come on, let me. Okay, anyways, here's the slime! Why you keep copying me? Okay, anyways, here's the slime! Woo! It's a big slime! It's a big slime! It's a big slime! Big slime! Yeah! Yep, so this is slime. We're both twins, and bye-bye, guys. Peace out. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, and bye. Stop repeating everything I do.